Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. So, big weather story in the coming days is going to be the severe storms that will impact the UP tomorrow. Today we have warm and humid air that moves in ahead of that system that arrives tomorrow, which will trigger those severe thunderstorms. Once that system moves out by Thursday, we're looking at a very windy day. That means winds could exceed 35 miles per hour on Thursday. But we're going to take it one thing at a time. Today, the severe weather threat is just a marginal risk. That's a level 1. That means that one isolated thunderstorm could reach bare minimum severe weather limits. Not too much of an issue for us today. Tomorrow, though, a different story. We're climbing up this scale of risk for severe thunderstorms. A level 2, slight for most of the central UP, and an enhanced risk along the Wisconsin state line, a level 3. It doesn't matter if you're under 2 or 3. Anywhere within the west and central parts of the UP, you will be under the gun for likely severe weather tomorrow. It really is going to depend on how things pan out, though. This is what we can expect if we do receive those severe thunderstorms throughout the day and especially tomorrow evening. Easily heavy rainfall amounts could exceed 1.25 inches in amounts. Strong damaging winds will likely lead to power outages and downed trees and branches. Set aside from that, in the evening hours, we could easily see some large hail in size, could even exceed 1 inch in diameter to around 1.25 inches. And there is also our tornadic potential with these severe thunderstorms tomorrow. So I did set that at a moderate risk as well. This is what's happening in the setup that's going to lead to that. Here's that area of low pressure in South Dakota tied in with a stronger area of low pressure up into Canada. This is slowly going to ride on in by tomorrow, and that center of low pressure will be right over us tomorrow. Ahead of it, though, today we'll notice the heat increase, and so will the moisture. So we're going to have plenty of moisture around and heat to help provide energy for those strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow. This morning, right now, just a few sprinkles across the west end of the UP. Throughout the morning hours today, by about 10 in the morning, we could see a few of these very isolated thunder showers skirt the northern areas. That moves on north, and then today we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy winds out of the southeast, dry day as compared to what we had yesterday and what we're going to see tomorrow. So for tomorrow, we're looking at 2 rounds of thunderstorms, and the first round looks to come throughout the morning hours across the western counties of the UP and then working through the central UP by about midday. Now, the timing of this is really going to impact the second round of thunderstorms, because if we get some breaks within the cloud cover in between both rounds, that's going to help provide instability and energy for the second round to be severe. So it really is going to depend on the first round. If the first round keeps the cloud cover socked in throughout the day tomorrow, then that severe weather potential decreases for us with the second round. Second round looks to come in late afternoon, 4 o'clock across the west end. That line moves on east throughout the evening hours and into early Thursday morning. Rainfall amounts with this easily 1.5 inches, could even exceed that, especially in the interior western counties of the UP by Thursday morning. Temperatures ahead of it, though, today upper 80s along the Wisconsin state line, 70s inland in the central and east. Tomorrow we're looking at 80s in the central parts of the UP inland. That cloud cover socked in, though, could impact temperatures tomorrow. But again, if we get that sunshine during the afternoon after round 1, that's going to help destabilize the atmosphere, meaning that it provides the energy for severe weather in that second round that's expected tomorrow afternoon and evening. After that system, we're looking at more seasonal conditions for the end of the week.